Here now equities are equal to cash because still I have not made any other transaction other than that of investing money. It means that I have set aside my funds for my business. Now these funds no more belong to me. Now these are the funds of the business. Is it clear to everyone? कोई ऐसा तो जिसको समझ में नहीं आ रहा हो प्लीज पूछ लीजिएगा, नहीं तो फिर मैं पूछ लूँगा. Okay. So the next transaction is acquisition of inventory. अभी बिजनेस स्टार्ट किया है तो कुछ खरीदना पड़ेगा ताकि उसको बेचे. So let us purchase some stocks. So what I am going to do is I am not going to purchase some stocks. Okay. So what will happen? I write cash over here. This is cash. Now what will happen? I am having 1 lakh rupees as cash with me. Now I will purchase inventories of 75,000. What will happen? Minus 75,000 and stock will appear. Stock will appear over here as 75,000. So what will be the total? The cash remaining with me now is rupees 25,000 and stock is 75,000. It means the total should be equal to equities, that is 1 lakh. There is no change in equity. Equity remains the same because once I have invested something in business, that is with business. Have I withdrawn anything from business? No. Have I put anything extra in business? No. What I have done is I have just utilized the money which I have once invested in business for the business owner. It means that equities are affected only in two situations. First, when you withdraw something from the business and when you put something in the business and nothing else. Are you getting? Okay. So this was the first transaction, this is the second one. Now acquisition of inventory for rupees 35,000 on open account. Now the thing is, yes?
Others money.
Yes, it is the others money. It is the liability. Now what we are doing is we are investing. We have taken money from outside. We have taken money from our friend and we have purchased stock out of it. So the stock will increase by 35,000 because stock to बढ़ेगा. Have I used any cash? No. So nothing will come. Have I introduced my own money? No. Have I withdrawn my own money? No. So it will remain unaffected. What will happen? Equities will increase by 35,000. Is it clear to everyone? मैंने स्टॉक खरीदा है, बाहर से खरीदा है, किसी से लिया है, पैसा लेके लिया है, तो मैंने अपना पैसा लगाया नहीं, इसलिए इक्विटीज में कोई चेंज नहीं है. ओके. एंड लायबिलिटीज में क्यों बढ़ गया? क्योंकि किसी दूसरे से बाहर वाले से पैसा लिया तो मेरा लायबिलिटी है कि मैं उसको वापस दूं. ओके, दैट्स व्हाई. और स्टॉक इंक्रीज हो गया. So the stock now has become how much? 1,10,000. Nothing over here. 35 plus 1 lakh. Sorry. Now the total again means 1,35,000, 1,35,000 on both the sides. That's why we say balance sheet is a sheet which is balanced. This is nothing but a balance sheet we are going to prepare. Now last transaction, merchandise बोलिए, आप inventory बोलिए, stock बोलिए, एक ही चीज है. Okay. Now we are selling goods worth rupees 1 lakh for 1,20,000. We have sold goods worth rupees 1 lakh for 1,20,000. What will happen? 1,20,000 cash will be received by us, so it will be added in cash.
Minus stock.
Stock will be reduced by 1 lakh. So how much stock is remaining now? 10,000. Here
1,40,000.
1,45,000.
35.
Would there be any change in liabilities? Would there be any change in equities? Yes?
Equities will change.
What I have told you, if the capital increases, there are profits. The converse is also true. What is converse? If the profit is there might be increase in capital. So the capital has increased, my dear. So the capital will be increased by how much profit you have gained? 1 लाख का माल 1,20,000 में बेचा. And the sheet which is balance is called balance sheet. Why? Because it is balance again.